Error, an unintentional misstatement of in a financial statements, including omission of amount or disclosure. The definition of error is something which unintentionally you left out. Example, omission. It's including an omission error, correction error. The amount of of an amount or a disclosure. Sometimes they need to provide a statement. The statement is there, but while drafting the financial, they forgot to insert it. The notes to accounts, or sometimes they refer the number as a 9 rather than 6. Such kind of numerical error, but it's unintentional statement in financial statement that may occur. They may arise. They may arise. So this kind of thing is being said in this error.